So let's talk about main channel video in this tutorial. When you go across on YouTube, there is the first video seen on your channel homepage. That video has certain important elements. The first one is make sure that video is talking about your company, your product or your service, so as people will get more awareness regarding what you want to do on your YouTube channel and how they can reap benefits from it. Secondly, there are some elements which you should try to cover in this video. Mostly, it should first tell what the company is about. Second, what the channel is about. Third, how the videos on the channel will help them. And fourth, encourage the viewers to subscribe to your channel so as they get updates about new videos. So let us see few examples in YouTube about this and have a brief know-how of the same. So I have opened here 3 different channels. One is of the individual YouTuber with the highest set of subscribers, over 49 million subscribers. On this channel, on the home page, this video which is there, that is actually the channel video. Out here, as it is a channel related to comedy and entertainment, mostly this video which is there, it is regarding some new comedy which the artist wants to show through. So that is one way of what a homepage channel video could be about. Another one is out here related to technology on a channel named as Tech Hindi. Here is the intro video in which the particular YouTuber keeps on showing the newest video which he would have created and therein going ahead and sharing details about that product or service. So if you go ahead and start through the video, there will be some introduction which the YouTuber would be talking about, followed by which there would be a slide where channel website as well as the brand name is shown so as people can understand what it relates to. And finally, when the video would be ending across, there would be a subscribe button which you can see through at the bottom of the video, wherein the YouTuber is telling the end users to go ahead and subscribe to their channel. So let's say an automobile related channel, like let's say auto car, if we search for, we have channel like Auto Car India. So let's go ahead and check that out. On this channel as well, the first element starts with the branding of what the channel name is, followed by which they are putting the latest video of the company, and probably at the end of the video they are showing through the subscribe button here, as well as they are showing the other social elements like the Twitter handle and the Facebook page of the website. So these are some elements when you want to get started and when you are creating the channel video. To upload the same, click on the upload button at the top corner here, and once you do that, you will be seeing a page where you can upload the video. So we'll be seeing more details about content creation and videos, but in the other side in the next tutorial. Thank you.